So welcome back to again the video which consists of your division of polynomials. See, what I have done is both the videos I have done only for division of polynomials, so that go through both the videos and see that the concept of division of polynomials is very clear to you. Okay, it should be very thorough to you. Nothing, no doubt should be there in your mind. If it is there, clear it now itself. Don't keep it for the future. Okay. So let us continue with again your division of polynomials. So what is the first? Again it is you have to divide x cube plus 4x square minus 9x minus 36 by x plus 3. See whether is it in standard form, is it that exponents of that x are in decreasing order. Yes, both your dividend as well as divisors exponents are written in the decreasing order. So we can start with the division. Okay, so what should be done here again, which is the highest term here? Highest term means what? I have to consider the term with highest power. So x cube divided by, in this case, x is the highest. So it should be x cube by x. I'll be getting as x square. So x square should be written it here. Okay. And this x square should be multiplied with x plus 3. So you'll be getting x cube plus 3x square. So below the like terms, you should write that x cube plus 3x square. So in the next step, I'll be writing x cube here, 4x square plus 3x square. What is the next step? Next step is to subtract. That means what? Change the sign. Okay. So I'll be having this as minus. This plus again becomes your minus. So whether x cube and x cube will get cancelled. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So 1x square, I can just write it as x square itself. Okay. Just making the signs. So it will be x square. Next step it will be what? Take your minus 9x down. Is that clear? The next term should be taken down. Next, what is the step? Yes, anyone remembers? Again, this x square and this x I have to divide. So I'll be getting it as what? I'll be just getting your x. So that x should be written here along with the sign. So no sign means it is plus x. So x into x it will be x square and x into 3 it will be 3x. Okay. This term should be written here below the like terms. And then subtract it. Subtract it in the sense I have to change the sign. So plus becomes minus. Again plus becomes minus. So x square will get cancelled. And minus 9x minus 3. Both the signs are same. That means it should be addition. So minus 9 minus 3. What will you get? It will be a minus 12. So it will be minus 12x. Is that clear? Again check whether this minus 12x and x. Yes, whether that x power is equal to the power of this. Yes, that means what? I can divide it again. Okay, always keep in the mind whatever the element will be here or whichever the term you will be having here, it's that term. Okay, it should have the highest that your what I can say is the power of variable should be greater than or equal to the power of your divisor, or I can say degree of this polynomial should be greater than or equal to degree of the divisor. Only then I can continue your division. So here I'll be getting it as 12x divided by x. I'll be getting as what? It will be just your minus 12. Okay, along with the sign. This minus 36 is taken down. So minus 12 should be written this side. Okay, and then minus 12 should be multiplied to x plus 3. So I'll be getting it as minus 12x minus 36. Okay. So after that subtract. So minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. So this will be cancelled. Again, minus 36 plus 36 is what? 0. So again that will be cancelled. So 0 is my remainder. Is that clear? Okay, and x square plus x minus 12 is the quotient. Hope this question is clear. Now the next question I'll not be showing step by step. I'll be just explaining all at once. Okay? Because 2 to 3 questions we have explained step by step. So hope that steps are understood. So the next question is your x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24 divided by x minus 4. Okay? So I have to divide this given polynomial by x minus 4. So this x cube, here it is x minus 4. Check whether it is in descending order. Yes, it is in descending order. The powers are in descending order. Okay. So here since it is x cube by x, it becomes x square. So I have to write x square into x cube. X square into minus 4, it is minus 4x square. Okay. After that what? Change the sign. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So this will get cancelled and I'll get as minus 3x square plus 4x square. Minus 3 plus 4 is what? 1x. 1x square. So 1 no need to write. You can just write it as x square. Next term should be taken down. So minus 10x. Okay. Next step again x square divided by x. It becomes x. So write it x. Multiply it. And then again subtract it. Subtract means change the sign. Minus becomes plus. Cancel. Minus 10 plus 4 becomes minus 6. Again I can divide because here the power of x is 1. Again here the power of x is 1. Both the degree are the same. So I can again divide. Okay. And you will get the answer as here minus 6. So this it will be minus 6 plus 24. Change the sign. So minus becomes plus. Again that 24 it becomes minus 24. And that will be cancelled. So what will be the remainder I'll get? I'll be getting remainder as 0 and quotient as x square plus x minus 6. Okay, hope this is clear. So what was the simple rules that we have seen here for the division of polynomials? The divisor and the dividend should always be written in descending powers of the variable. In our case, the variable is what? X. And if terms are missing, insert 0. Okay, if the terms, any term is missing, you have to insert the 0. One more question. 3x raised to 4 minus 2x square minus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Our first step, check whether all the powers of the variable are arranged in a standard form. That is, they are arranged in descending order or not. So 4 and 2, but after 4, which term should be written? It should be x cube. But whether x cube is there? No. That means what? I have to write it as 3x raised to 4 minus 0x cube. Okay, that should be written. 0x cube minus 2x square. Again, x term is not there. So it should be written as plus 0x minus 1. Okay. Now, I'll be giving you one thing. What you do is pause this video and then try to divide this. Try to divide this polynomial. If you have understood, check whether what you are going to get as a quotient and what you are going to get as a remainder. Okay, pause the video and do the division of the given polynomials and see whether you have done it correctly or not. After completing yours, you can just again play the video. Okay, so after that you will see, you will be getting it as quotient, you will be getting as 3x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1. I'm not explaining how it came because already it is explained. Okay, at the last, here again your remainder will be what? 0, because I have to change the sign. That means this becomes plus, the other also it becomes plus. So minus x plus x will be cancelled. Again minus 1 plus 1 after changing the sign I am saying. So that will be cancelled and the remainder will be 0. Hope this is it clear. Okay. Now similarly, I have divided x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by x square minus 2. Okay. After dividing, I have got it as, just see here what should be done? X cube divided by x square, I'll be getting x. So I'll be writing x into x square is x cube. X into minus 2 is what? Minus 2x. Okay, so it should be written below 5x, like terms. Then change the sign. Okay, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This will get cancelled. This as it is. Okay, that is what I said. Instead of here, you can write x square plus 0x, no problem. Or if you are not writing, then also no problem will be there. Okay. So again here minus 3 into minus 2, it is what? Sorry, x into minus 2, it will be a minus 2x. Change the sign. This will come as it is, 5x plus 2x. Always remember the second sign operation should be done. So 5x plus 2x, it is 7x. This minus 3 comes down. So again it will be a 3x square divided by x square. Okay, so it comes out to be what? Just minus 3. So minus 3 I have to write. I'll be getting this here. And then what is the remainder? It is 7x minus 9. Now can I divide 7x minus 9 further by x square minus 2? No. Why? Because your degree of 7x minus 9 is 1, while the degree of x square minus 2 is what? 2. So further it won't be divided. Okay. So can I write the same thing as, this was your dividend, this was my divisor. So what it is always, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So accordingly I have written it here. Now in your question sometimes it is asked for 4 marks. Verify dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder by dividing the given polynomials. Okay. So what we'll be doing is just we'll be verifying for this polynomial. Before itself we have got what is the quotient, what is the divisor and what is the remainder. So accordingly I'll be writing it as, this will be my RHS. Okay. So RHS is g of x is your divisor is x square minus 3. Q of x, that is quotient, is x minus 3 plus R of x is the remainder, that is 7x minus 9. Clear? Now what to do? Simplify it. Simplify this. It will be x square into x minus 3. Then minus 2 into again x minus 3. Multiply x square to each term. So I'll be getting x cube minus 3x square minus 2x minus minus plus 6. This term as it is. Okay, because this I have simplified here. Clear? Now check whether the like terms you have. X cube, only x cube term. So x cube, x square, only x square term is there. Now minus 2x plus 7x. It will be what? Plus 5x. And 6 minus 9, it will be what? It will be minus 3. Okay. So after simplification, I'll be getting this as the answer. Now see whether this is the polynomial that we had divided. Yes. So can I say it here that it will be my P of x I have got it as g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, so what we can say is if p of x and g of x are two polynomials and g of x is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where this r of x is what? That remainder polynomial. So that remainder polynomial can be 0 polynomial, or degree of r of x, that is degree of your remainder polynomial, should be less than degree of g of x. Okay, whether this is it clear? Okay, hope division of polynomials is clear to each and everyone. Okay, thank you.